Is anyone there? Hey. Who survived? Somebody new? Anyone else but you? On a lonely night, once a blinding light, 900 meters, but people were moving.
And though I know, since you've awakened her again, she depends on you, she depends on you. She'll go along, never speak of this again. We depend